Hi guys, welcome back to my video and how to get divine only in events. I told you not many views and tell you real not fake views. And show ko how to get divine and Sago. And you see a Valentine's event with cow or 30 minutes. Tang your account here and join cow. And with cow you need to press this level and your account or event anything. Not your second. Okay, go. Hey, and go here. Sugar kita. And go here inside the brick. Or tapos yung cow and kagub ka. Ay, sugar lagi magkagub. And next device. And tita ko big heart, and small. You need to collect candy, hard candy. You need to place it, give it candy and go bigger. And almost timer on, explode candy. Here. And random spots here or here. Tinan ko yan. Sinusukulaki ako. Diba yun? Okay, tapos yung tell you and look me diba na 6 divines in the Valentine's event. And tapos yung tell ako kao. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Oh, then. Oh, ako yung bandito. Oh, patay lang ko. Yay!